My duck, Mr. Peepers, on the right. Wild duck Pistachio on the left. Mr. Peepers' bride in the background, the rowan duck. Sometimes Mr. Peepers is accepting, and other times Mr. Peeper is in bill-to-bill combat or wing-to-wing combat with Pistachio. And Puffer Ducker will get right up to Pistachio. And with that terrible quack, he eventually flies away. So all is calm right now. It's about 5:30, 5:45. I'm expecting Pistachio's wife Peanut to fly in at any moment. She is somewhere out in the fields with a nest, is my guess, because she's not here during the day. She only comes in the morning and in the evening to eat and take a bath and preen and eat some more. Pistachio will come several times a day for his quacking experience from Puffer. A little combat with Mr. Peepers. Mr. Peepers I bought when he was just a little fluff ball, and I raised him in my fanny pack. I wanted to bond with my duck, so I took him everywhere with me. He was in my fanny pack when I'd go outside, and inside he'd just follow me around. When he got old enough, I got him a diaper. Well, things are pretty quiet now. It's a beautiful mallard. I notice he has a longer bill than Peanut does. That Puffer, boy, she's a talker. She just nag, 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 nag. My fish are waiting for dinner. They're pretty hungry. I forgot to feed them breakfast. This is the dining room over here. Now if I walk over there, they'll all come to the top. Feed me, feed me, feed me. Well, I was hoping Peanut would fly in while I was taking this video. But things don't always work out the way you want them to. Let's see if I can walk over here without jerking too much. They see me, they think I'm going to feed them. Pistachio over there, still waiting for his bride, Peanut. Here's Pepper Ducker coming on the scene. She thinks I'm going to feed the fish. Well, let's see if I can feed the fish and hold the camera at the same time. I don't know. Pistachio's still in the same place.
Nummy, nummy, nummy. Nummy, 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 nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy.
There's a bunch of babies over there. Zoom in on them. Those are from last year, so they're not quite a year old yet. These black and orange ones are babies from 2 years ago. So are the black and white ones, 2 years old, and the black and white and red ones are 2 years old. There was about 40 babies 2 years ago, and then last year there was about 20. That's the first time I've had baby fish, and I've had fish for about 15 years. Oh, I thought that was Peanut coming in as a hawk up there. Oh, so you want some more? Oh, and here's Sir Speedy. Hi, Sir Speedy. Are you hungry too? Oh, okay. Well, wouldn't that be something that Peanut flew in right about now? I figure I've got between 80 and 100 fish. It's hard to count them. I tried to count them by fivesies. 5, 10, 15, 20s, but they keep moving around. Here's Moonglow, my big boy. Pistachio's up to over here? Oh, he's all hunkered down now, just taking it easy. Just waiting. Are you guys still hungry? There's one of my favorites, Dorothy Vader. When I got it, it was about the size of my little babies. And I called it Darth Vader. But it turned out to be a female. So I changed it to Dorothy Vader. Fish seem to like to have a little breather in between tosses. I'm giving them a little extra. I usually don't feed them that much. They didn't have breakfast. Well, I know as soon as I turn this off, Peanut's going to come flying in. But I'm almost up to 13 minutes here on this video. Oh, Pistachio stood up. Now they act like they're a couple, but they aren't. The rowan, the brown duck, her mate is over here on the weeds. Polka Dot, you my handsome boy. He's my old boy. He's about 14 years old. My first duck. He and his wife, Paisley, were my first ducks. Little yellow fuzzballs. But after a few years, Paisley got ovarian cancer and died. Nothing the vet could do. He's got a bum leg. Like me. But he still does good. Well, I'm expecting Peanut to fly in from this direction. There's a school off there in the distance. And I was out here, I was so lucky I was out here when they both took off and they flew down the street and over the school, and then they banked to the right. So you can see the green hills off in the distance there. And there is a park over by the school. Well, in 15 and 22 seconds I better sign off. Say goodbye, Polka Dot. Say goodbye to the fishies.
Bye, fishies. Bye, duckers.
And the last person we'll say goodbye to is Pistachio, the wild duck.